Good morning students. Today we are going to see about the topic is economics production. Already we talked about the topic in the last class. Now let's recall what are the topics we learned. Before we know that what does the mean by production and the next types of utility. The next we started to the next topic, types of production. There are three types of production. First one is a primary production, second one is a secondary production, the third one is the tertiary production. Now we're going to learn about what is the meaning of primary production and the secondary production and the tertiary or service production. The primary production is carried out by extractive industries like agriculture, forestry, fishing, mining and oil extraction. These industries are engaged in such activities as extracting the gifts of nature from the earth's surface, from beneath the earth's surface and from the oceans. The next is the secondary production. This includes production in manufacturing industry, turning out semi-finished and finished goods from raw materials and intermediate goods, conversion of flour into bread or iron ore into finished steel. They are generally described as manufacturing and construction industries, such as the manufacture of cars, furnishing and clothing and chemicals, as also engineering and building. The next is a tertiary production. Industries in the tertiary sector produce all those services which enable the finished goods to be put in the hands of consumers. In fact, these services are supplied to the firms in all types of industries and directly to consumers. Examples cover distributive traders, banking, insurance, and transport and communications. Government services such as law administrations, education, health and defense are also included. Do you know the most to the gross domestic product of our country is contributed by the tertiary sector? Next, we're going to see about the factors of production. Human activity can be broken down into two components, production and consumption. When there is production, a process of transformation takes place. Inputs are converted into an output. The inputs are classified and referred to as land, labor, and capital. Collectively, the inputs are called factors of production. What is the meaning of factors of production? They are divided into two forms, primary factors and tertiary factors. Primary factors are land and labor. These are naturally given and without them no goods can be produced. The next tertiary factors are capital and organization. These tertiary factors, when combined with the primary factors of production, rise to total production. Okay, now we completed this topic. The next we are going to see about our next class. Okay, let's recall what are the things we learned about in this topic in starting onwards. Okay, the first one, utility means satisfying power of a product. And the next, utilities are in the nature of form utility, time utility and place utility. And the next is, there are three types of production: primary production, secondary production and tertiary or service production. And the next, inputs are called factors of production. The next, factors of production: land, labor, capital and organization. And the next, production is a process of combining various material inputs and immaterial inputs in order to make something of consumption. Okay, next we're going to see about our next class. Okay children, thank you.